Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all apps. Then obviously go to the settings. Here you should find and select security and location. And now go to fingerprint. Here simply confirm that you want to unlock your device with fingerprint by tapping on next. And it's time to decide to select the backup for your fingerprint. So it can be pattern, it can be PIN code or the password. So let me pick, for example, pattern. Thanks for this notification. And now just draw the pattern that you would like to have. Tap on next and draw it one more time to confirm the pattern. And tap on confirm. And now decide if you would like to see some of your notifications once your device is locked. You can select show all notification content or hide sensitive content or don't show notifications at all, as only you prefer. I will pick hide sensitive notification content and then select done. And here it's time to touch the sensor, so locate your fingerprint at the sensor, which is here. So now you have to keep tapping until it's fully added. So just move your finger slightly to add all the different parts of your fingerprint. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. And finally tap on done. And from now on, just take a look, you will be able to unlock your device with your fingerprint. Of course, you can also unlock it with this pattern that you draw, which is a backup for the fingerprint. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.